one stroke painting. Take the brush, take color, and hold the flat brush sideways. Okay. Next, I take in the color blue, and with the color blue, I am blue, and I've taken dark blue and white and mixed it to create a lighter tone. This is one. The very simple way of doing a one stroke greeting card or dip it. For the leaves. This. Depending on the size of the brush, you can vary the size of the leaf. So you have a very simple one stroke greeting card ready. Now I'm continuing with this to show you what other variations can be done. One. I take this red color, and if children are learning to paint, best way is to teach them simple things which they already know. This and this. Join these two. Now I've taken brown paint or black. Taking a new brush again, and I'm just taking very little black and in this portion. Okay, like this. Take black. Okay. Very simple as this. 1, 2. And take colors like red and white. Give it a pinkish look, and take it back. Now again for the one stroke painting, I am changing this to a brighter color. Now hold this, see this. If I hold the flat brush like this, you will get this shape.